Hey there, this is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you guys are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you makeup with just 3 products. Yes, just 3 products. You heard it right. In this quarantine and lockdown, and even sometimes getting back to work, simple makeup or like something for busy moms when they are back to school, back to office, simple makeup is really, wearable makeup is really trending out, and people want more looks from this, and they at the same time they don't want to spend so much time on products. So today I've come up with a 3 product makeup tutorial. This is from the brand 3 Enough. So I will show you, but before we go ahead, what do you got to do? Yes, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos and you are the first one to know about all my videos. For everyday wear for moms, busy moms, or office going people. And I hope you guys liked it as much as I loved creating it. Before going out, please don't forget to like my video as well as comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on any one video of mine. And if you want to get personal with me, do get in touch with my Instagram ID DivaBeautyAE, and I can see you there as well. We can have a good chat. Till next time, bye bye, see ya.